If you can't search videos on TikTok, then here are some possible reasons and fixes. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi Fi or mobile data is stable. Restart your router or turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. After you check your internet connection and it is on best mode, then simply tap on the App Store option available there. Inside App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for the TikTok. If you are using the Android, then go to the Google Play Store and follow the same process. If you see update option available there, simply tap on the update and update the TikTok to the latest version, because an outdated app may prevent search from working. Now lastly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok, go to your profile and tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings and privacy. Here scroll down and tap on the free up space option available there. Then in there you can see clear cache option available. Simply tap on the clear cache and clear the all TikTok cache. Once it is done, then try restarting the TikTok app. Sometimes the app may have a minor glitch. Close TikTok completely, and all you have to do is go out of the TikTok by simply swiping and reopen the TikTok app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.